Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create filters in Insightly. All right. It is actually pretty easy to do. So first up, let's go ahead and try in contacts right here, just for you to see. Okay. Go ahead and go to the top right and click on this gear icon with a drop down. Click on it and click on add new list view. Okay. Click on it. For example, I'm going to name it as filtered. Okay. You can go ahead and share this one with your organization or just for you. And if you want to, you can go ahead and click on this box. Only the owner and administrators can edit this list view. Okay. Click on create. Now in here, as you can see, we are now under the filtered view. Okay. Now what we would do here is just go ahead and go to the top right once more. And besides the gear icon, we have this one, the filter icon. Okay. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on add a filter row. Click on it. Filters by maybe assistant's name, assistant phone, or as you can see here, we have a ton of options. For example, we're going to be using email like so. Operator is equal to or not equal to, less than, greater than, is empty, not empty. For example, I'm going to be using equal to. The value right here, for example, when entering 1 or 2 or even 3, it will just give you different results. Your filters will be automatically saved to this list view, okay, with each change. Now, for example, I'm going to type in 1 right here, hit on add. As you can see, there is no results, but you get the point now. Just go ahead and click on add a filter row if you want to add in some more, okay? And as you can see here, we have and. We also have or, okay? Just continue by adding rows and then choosing or entering another criteria if you want. And the filters are automatically saved to this list, okay? Don't worry. Filter by right here. Choose your option, for example, full name, equal to or greater than, like so. 2, hit on add another criteria right here. Depends on how you like it, all right? But that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.